What's up, guys? It's Dr.SidewayZ again, bringing you another product review. Something that I think everybody's sleeping on, some floor mats, man. Seems like everything's like $250 up as far as floor mats these days for custom fitted ones. That's just ridiculous. I'm a working man. I'm gonna get my mats dirty. There's no reason that I could ever justify spending $250 on something that I'm just gonna put my feet on. I don't even wear $250 shoes, so why would I do that? So what are you left to do whenever you don't want to spend $250 on floor mats? Well, luckily I hopped on Amazon and I found this company, YITAMOTOR, and I gave them the benefit of the doubt. The product actually fits very nicely. It's not a very known brand. I think everybody's sleeping on them, to be honest with you. Whenever I got the product, I was extremely surprised as far as the fitment. It's spot on, to be honest with you. I think these are arguably better fitting than the WeatherTechs. So what's the cost? Well, surprisingly, these guys actually come in at roughly half the cost of the WeatherTechs. And if you use the link that I just dropped below, 20% off, guys. I don't think you can beat that. That's pretty crazy, man. Because honestly, you're gonna hop and you're gonna go to O'Reilly's or Advance, and you're gonna drop $75 on some floor mats that, while they fit everything, they don't cover anything, if that makes sense. They have to fit so many cars that they're just crappily cut, where these are made specifically towards each of your cars. So hop on there, check them out, see what they got. This is just a GMC that we're putting them in just for an example. But yeah, man, shipping's super quick, fitment's spot on, thickness, I wouldn't want them any thicker, to be honest with you, because the thicker you go with a floor mat, the less it's going to contour to your cabin, and the greater potential for it to hang up on something, you know. If you're running a generic floor mat, the termination line of the floor mat could be right under where your gas pedal is or where your brake pedal is, so it's just gonna be a liability thing, dude. So these things fit really well, but these have the I call them the locking discs, whatever you want to call them. But yeah, they were even thoughtful enough to have those guys there. But yeah, fitment's great, and I'm not dropping $250. So if you hop on the Amazon store, I'm gonna link it below. So on Amazon they have 4.5 stars, so almost 5-star review. So that's awesome, and it's not just 1 or 2 reviews, just a lot of reviews. So I think you can feel definitely comfortable purchasing these guys for half the cost of the WeatherTech. But it seems like the more and more as time goes by, the more things are just meant to be thrown away. We live in a disposable society, and that's just the way of things are. But not these guys, luckily. They're definitely gonna serve you well, they're definitely gonna age well, and they're definitely gonna last. And it's not money that you're just throwing away. I mean, you figure $100 or so that you can just save, especially with fuel prices and everything that's so expensive nowadays, along with maintenance and taxes and everything. It's just crazy, man. But yeah, guys, YITAMOTOR, I'm gonna link them in the description below. Great product, fitment's spot on. But floor mats is not only their specialty, they have all sorts of car accessories: floor mats, towing mirrors, running boards, roof racks, tonneau covers, crossbars, front LED light bars, fender flares, bumpers, even catalytic converters, all sorts of stuff. But check them out, I got them linked below. Great guys, I'll personally vouch for them. You'll definitely be well served, and I think you'll be happy with the value at which they're coming to the market. Great guys, y'all have a great one. Have a great rest of the week, and I will be touching base with y'all soon. Got a lot of videos coming. Stay safe, stay out of trouble, and have a great weekend, y'all. Bye.